and welcome to A Junior VC Presents Startup Chronicles. In this series, we're going to do a weekly roundup of the startup ecosystem and we leave you with a few essentials at the end of every episode. First off, let's talk about how Amazon is entering India's wealth management space. Smallcase is a fintech company building a platform for direct indexing and model portfolios of stocks. These are called small cases. They have raised 40 million in Series C fund led by Faring Capital with Amazon's new India-focused fund, Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund. In the last couple of years, retail investors have wanted access to equity markets, transparency, and innovative ways to build portfolios. Smallcase fits right in. We're yet to see how the association with Amazon pans out in the future. Next up, let's talk about Postman. For the uninitiated, Postman is a Bengaluru and San Francisco-based firm. They are a leading collaboration platform for application program interface API development. On August 18th, they raised $225 million at a valuation of $5.6 billion. This makes Postman India's highest valued SaaS platform, overtaking BrowserStack, Freshworks, and Icertis. Launched by BITS Pilani alumni, Abhinav Asthana and Abhishek Kane, Postman has more than 17 million users and 500,000 organizations on its platform. Their customers include Salesforce, Stripe, Cisco, PayPal, and Microsoft. They intend to use these new funds to expand sales, strengthen developer community, and launch API literacy programs. For more on Postman, check out our article on AJVC website, link below. Some other headlines to note are the country's three most valuable startups, Paytm, Flipkart, Byju's, are all considering or planning IPOs. Kalari Capital launches CXXO initiative addressing the gender bias. They've allocated a 10 million fund to invest in women-led startups. Ola launches S1 and S1 Pro for electric scooters. Droom, an automobile marketplace, recently achieved unicorn status after a pre-IPO funding round. Coming to our essentials, we've chosen Infra.Market as our startup of the week. Infra.Market is a B2B commerce platform for construction materials and have raised $125 million from Tiger Global at a valuation of $2.5 billion this month. The startup plans to use these funds to acquire mid-sized brands in the construction market to expand and in fact also use these funds to build their own private labels. The company is hoping to touch $1 billion in revenue by December. In fact, they entered the unicorn list this year. For more on Infra.Market, here our chat with their founder itself on AJVC Founders Unfiltered. Lastly, we'll leave you with an explanation on our concept of the week. BNPL. Buy now and pay later is a credit solution with a huge potential in the consumer credit market. This is due to the increased ease of transaction. BNPL is likely to expand credit culture in a similar but limited way as UPI did for digital payments. Also, BNPL is expected to provide access to consumer segments below the income thresholds for credit cards. So do share your thoughts about BNPL with us below. So that was it for this week. Do not forget to check out our next week's roundup and of course, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.